In this video, I'll be showing you guys on how to connect your iPad to TV AirPlay. So let's get started. Now, we have three methods of doing this. Now, method one is using AirPlay, which is wireless and the best option, but the downside is that this only works if your TV supports AirPlay too. Now, you have to go ahead, open your TV, and then head over to settings. Now, in settings, you have to go and search a little bit around and find the option of Apple AirPlay and HomeKit. So this option must be somewhere in settings. For example, it could be under display and sounds, could just be an option on its own. So just go ahead and search this option. Now, if this option is there, then your TV supports AirPlay, and just go ahead and turn this option on. Then you're gonna head over to your iPad. On the top right corner, you're gonna scroll down. You're gonna click on these two screens. And from here, you're gonna choose your TV, whatever the name is. And then your iPad screen will appear on the TV. Now, suppose your laptop doesn't have AirPlay, then what you can do is you need to buy some port or adapters, you can say some HDMI adapters. Now, the latest iPad uses for a charging cable a USB-C. So for example, you need something like this where one side goes into your iPad and the other side is basically an HDMI port. So one side of the HDMI goes here and the other side goes onto your TV. Then it's basically like a laptop TV connection or laptop monitor connection. So the same way, it's like an iPad TV connection. Now, some older iPads don't actually use the USB-C cable, so you might need to get a lightning cable, which looks something like this. And then the other side is basically the same thing, an HDMI port. So that's the second option if your TV doesn't have AirPlay. Now, sometimes the full AirPlay doesn't work, so you can also try AirPlaying just the videos. So let's say I'm watching a video on YouTube and I wish to watch it on a bigger screen. I could just go on the video, for example, this is YouTube. I can just go ahead and click on that AirPlay option on the top right. I can just click on AirPlay and Bluetooth device. And from here, I can go ahead and choose my TV as well, just to stream this particular video on the TV. So, alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope that it helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.